Hey everybody, welcome to a journey where we unlock the secrets to becoming the most confident version of yourself. We all have those moments where we could use a little boost of confidence, right? Maybe it's when you're staring at your reflection, wondering if you have what it takes to shine, when you're about to walk into a party and you don't know anyone and your heart starts racing. You feel that knot in your stomach and you wish you could just turn around and leave. Or you have to give a presentation at work, and the thought of speaking in front of your colleagues makes your palms sweat. You start doubting yourself, questioning if you're good enough, or maybe even just asking someone out on a date. The fear of rejection looms large, and you wonder if you should even try. Well, guess what? You don't have to be born with it. Confidence is not some magical trait that only a few possess. It's a skill. And like any skill, it can be learned and mastered. Confidence is something you can totally learn and build on. There are countless resources out there, from books to workshops, all designed to help you grow. So get ready because I'm about to share 10 super easy tricks that will have you feeling like you can conquer the world. These tips are simple, practical, and can be implemented right away. Let's do this. Trick 1, stand tall, shine bright. Okay. First up is all about posture, people. You know how sometimes you just want to slouch on the couch like a big old puddle? Well, try this instead. Imagine there's an invisible string attached to the top of your head, gently pulling you up. Roll those shoulders back and down like you're trying to hold a pencil between your shoulder blades. Seriously, try it. Doesn't that feel better already? Standing tall instantly makes you look and feel more confident and powerful. Plus, it's great for your back. Trick 2, the eyes have it. Alright, next up, let's talk about eye contact. I know, it can be a little intimidating at first, especially if you're a little shy. But trust me on this one. Making eye contact with someone shows that you're engaged, interested, and confident in what you have to say. You don't have to stare them down like you're in a staring contest. Just a nice, friendly gaze will do the trick. Think of it like this. You're connecting with another human being, sharing a moment, and that's pretty amazing when you think about it. Trick 3, smile, it's contagious. Okay, this one is my personal favorite, and it's probably the easiest one on the list. Smile. I'm talking about a genuine, heartfelt smile that lights up your whole face. Smiling not only makes you look more approachable and friendly, but it actually tricks your brain into feeling happier and more confident. It's like a little mood booster in your back pocket. Plus, when you smile at someone, chances are they can't help but smile back. And who doesn't love spreading a little joy around? Trick 4, dress to impress yourself. All right, let's talk about clothes. Have you ever stood in front of your wardrobe, feeling like you have nothing to wear, even though it's packed with clothes? It's a common feeling, but it doesn't have to be that way. Have you ever noticed how when you wear an outfit you absolutely love, you just feel like $1,000,000? It's like the clothes themselves have some magical power to boost your mood and confidence. That's because what you wear can have a huge impact on your confidence. When you feel good in your clothes, it shows in the way you carry yourself and interact with others. I'm not saying you have to go out and buy a whole new wardrobe, but taking the time to put together an outfit that makes you feel good can work wonders. It's about finding pieces that resonate with your personal style and make you feel comfortable and confident. Experiment with different combinations. Mix and match items you already own. Sometimes a fresh perspective on your existing wardrobe can lead to discovering new favorite outfits. Whether it's your favorite pair of jeans, a power suit, or that sparkly dress you've been saving for a special occasion, each piece has its own unique way of making you feel special. Don't wait for the perfect moment to wear something you love. Sometimes the act of dressing up can create the special occasion itself. So go ahead. Wear what makes you feel amazing. Embrace your style and let your wardrobe be a reflection of your best self. After all, the most important person to impress is you. Trick 5. Be your own biggest cheerleader. Okay, this next one is all about what you say to yourself, and trust me, it's super important. The way we talk to ourselves can shape our entire day, our mood, and even our future. We all have that little voice in our heads, and sometimes it can be a bit of a downer, right? It tells us we're not good enough, that we can't do something, or that we're going to fail. Well, it's time to change the script. Imagine if that voice was your biggest cheerleader instead of your harshest critic. Instead of focusing on negative thoughts, try replacing them with positive affirmations. Write them down, say them out loud, and keep them where you can see them every day. Tell yourself things like, I am capable, I am worthy, I am deserving of all the good things in life. These words have power. I am strong, and really believe it. When you start to believe in these affirmations, you'll notice a shift in your mindset. It might feel a little silly at first, but the more you do it, the more natural it will become. The more you'll start to believe it, and that's when the magic happens. You'll find yourself more confident, more resilient, and ready to take on the world with a positive attitude. Trick 6. Small steps, big victories. Sometimes when we think about our goals, they can seem so big and overwhelming that we don't even know where to start, right? That's why it's so important to break those big goals down into smaller, more manageable ones. Instead of saying, I want to run a marathon, start with, I'm going to run for 15 minutes today. Celebrate those small victories because they're all steps in the right direction. Each goal you achieve, no matter how small, will give you a boost of confidence and keep you motivated to keep going. Trick 7. Practice makes perfect and confident. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but it's amazing how much of a difference it can make. Whether you're giving a presentation, going on a job interview, or even just trying something new, practice makes all the difference. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. So rehearse that speech in front of the mirror. Practice those interview questions with a friend, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Trick 8. Imagine your way to success. Close your eyes for a second and imagine yourself absolutely rocking that presentation, acing that interview, or just nailing that new skill you've been working on. What do you see? How do you feel? Visualizing success can actually trick your brain into believing it's possible, which can boost your confidence and make you more likely to succeed. It's like giving yourself a sneak peek of the amazing things you're capable of achieving. Trick 9. Step out of your comfort zone. You know that little voice in your head that says, I can't do that? Well, it's time to tell that voice to take a hike. Stepping outside of your comfort zone and trying new things is one of the best ways to build confidence. It doesn't have to be anything huge either. Sign up for that dance class you've been eyeing, try a new recipe, or even just strike up a conversation with someone new. Every time you challenge yourself, you learn and grow, and that's a beautiful thing. Trick 10. Surround yourself with cheerleaders. Last but not least, let's talk about the people you surround yourself with. Are they positive, supportive, and encouraging? Or are they constantly bringing you down? The people we spend time with have a huge impact on our self-esteem and confidence. So choose your tribe wisely. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, believe in you, and make you feel like you can do anything. And remember, be that person for others too. So there you have it, folks. 10 simple yet powerful tricks to boost your confidence instantly. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing your unique qualities, believing in yourself, and not being afraid to shine. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of. You got this.